let's finish the last 4 questions and then we're done. And if you finish these, you just have a few homework questions and that's it. Okay, so if you guys, maybe some of you jumped ahead and did them for all I know. So this, again, these fraction ones, so let's take a look, or decimal ones, 0.5. Okay, and you get x squared, and you take 3 divided by 0.5. So here, 3 divided by 0.5, 6. So x squared plus 6x minus 6x plus 8. Okay, so you take that number divided by the decimal, you get that. And then f at x, you take half of that, which is 3, and square it's 9. So plus minus 9. I'm going to do these a little bit faster. Plus 8. You always take the negative 1 out. Always the negative 1 out. Now, when you multiply 9 times a half, well, that's like minus 4.5. If you don't believe me, try it on your calculator. Negative 9 times 0.5 is negative 4.5 plus 8. And then finally, f at x. Here you get 0.5. This is x minus 3 squared. And when you add these two together, I believe it's 3.5. So my vertex is 3, 3.5. Like always showing the vertex. Opposite sign, same sign. Okay, this one now, we're going to take the 10 and divide it by negative 1.25. So I'm going to take the 10 divided by negative 1.25, negative 8. So f at x, negative 1.25, x squared minus 8x, because you're taking a negative out. Close the bracket, minus 3. And f at x, so you got negative 1.25. Now take 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So 8x plus 16 minus 16. And at the end, you still have the minus 3. So I just took the 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is plus 16 minus 16. Now you always take the negative 1 out. So on the next one, I'm going to go equals negative 1.25. Take the negative 16 out and multiply by 1.25. So x minus 8x plus 16. And when I take this, I'm going to multiply it by that. So I take that negative 16, multiply it by that. $20. So I get plus 20 minus 3. So I get f at x equal to 1.25. In here, x minus 4. X, so half of that, square root of that squared, plus 20 minus 3 minus 17. Vertex, 4, comma, negative 17 here. Okay. There's that one. Next two. I'm going to take a 0.2 out. X squared, so I'm going to take 0.8 divided by 0.2. Using my calculator, I get 4. Nice number. And then the minus 1 stays out there. So the minus 1 stays out there. Now, 0.2, I take the 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 squared. 2 times 2 is 4. So I go x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 4. Minus 1. G of x, 0.2. X squared plus 4x plus 4. Now I take the negative 4 out and I multiply by 0.2. So let's see, negative 4. Okay, negative 4 times 0.2. Negative 0.8. And then g of x, so that's negative 0.8. 0.2. X, half of that, or square root of that, plus 2 squared. And here, this is negative 1.8. So my vertex is negative 2, comma, negative 1.8. Okay, last one, I'm going to just turn all those into decimals. 1 divided by 10. I'm just going to use my calculator. put them all as decimals. 1 divided by 10. 0.1x squared. Plus 2 divided by 5. 0.4x. Plus 1 divided by 2, that's 0.5. First two, I'm going to take the 0.4 divided by 0.1. So f of x, 0.1 in the bracket, x squared, 0.4 divided by 0.1. 0.4 divided by 0.1, 4x. Plus 0.5. And then f of x, so now, put a line here. I'm going to take, see if I know, x squared plus 4x. I take the 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So plus 4, subtract 4, and then plus 0.5. I take the negative 4 out. But when I take the negative 4 out, it has to multiply by 0.1. So I get negative 0.4. And then don't forget the 0.5. And this is like x plus 2. And here, negative 0.4 plus 0.5 is like plus 0.1. So my vertex, and don't forget the squared. My vertex is negative 2, comma, 0.1. And there, that probably took the whole class. You got a little bit of homework to practice. I don't think there's much this time. Okay, guys, I'll see you on Monday.